Well, if you have been following along the previous videos, you must notice some keywords like COUT, CIN and so on. Let me cover COUT in this video and we'll save CIN for another. In any programming you would need to show something to a viewer. COUT is used for that purpose. The concept behind that is something that requires more advanced knowledge. Just imagine that whenever you send something to COUT, it directs those to the output terminal. So, what are the requirements to do those? The answer is the COUT keyword and an insertion operator. Consider that you want to output the following string to terminal. Basically, it is used to enhance interactions between the user and the program. Maybe, if you want to please the user, and you can do by greeting them. Like, when someone runs my code, I can greet him by welcoming with a string. Okay, let's get over with the examples. Now, how to use those. Just after COUT keyword, put the double $ symbol without leaving space and continue with those you want to output to the terminal. Important thing to note, and also the more easier way to output multiple sentences or variables, is to chain those with the insertion operator. Like, in the second example. Notice that I have embedded variables and sentences. And you can chain as much as you want. Just play around with it. While chaining, the order in which the output is rendered is that from left to right. The theory behind this is streams. Streams are just the flow of data. Since the compiler is going to look upon your instructions from left to right, the streams also get populated by the same order. And thus the output will also be in the same order. Thus, this is all about the uses and functions of COUT command.